As you know, it's been the holiday season lately, which means I've been partying a lot. And, things have gone good and wrong, and I've been happy and sad, okay? So I thought, why not do some party tricks?
Serving chips in a bowl is cool, serving chips in a bag isn't. But serving chips in a bag bowl is awesome. Let me show you how to make it. So what you want to do is you want to start at the bottom of the bag of chips and start rolling it into the middle, which will push the chips up higher in the bag of chips just like this. Just keep rolling it, keep working it up until it pops out of the top of the chips, and then you're ready to serve them. It's such a cool way to serve it too. So it's like the best party trick. Turns out, actually a lot of people like this. You'll come to find out, I promise. This next trick is cool. Start rolling the top of the bag down, then flip it over. Then you want to fold the corners in. And then this part is really hard, but just flip it through. And then that's what holds the chips together. And this is actually a really, really nice trick to use because the chips don't come out. Take a bowl, a big one, and then put a smaller bowl in the middle, filled up with salsa, and then put your favorite chips around the salsa, and then you can take a chip out and eat it. And it's actually a really nice hack. I use this hack a lot at party. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Chef Q out.